Hello all. Welcome to hands-on natural language processing with NLTK and Scikit-learn. My name is Rudy, and this is a course by Pact Publishing. A little bit about me. I have 6 years of experience in data science. I have deep technical experience with quantitative trading and statistical modeling. I'm currently building natural language generation technology. We'll learn how we can tackle natural language data by first talking about intricacies of what is natural language data. We then create a spam classification system with an email dataset. In the second project, we create a sentiment analysis pipeline with a movie review dataset, and then we try to boost the performance of that pipeline with NLP specific techniques like Ngram. In the third project, we're going to show you how we can do a document classification pipeline with a news group dataset, and then advanced topic modeling with TF-IDF, latent semantic analysis, and SVMs. We assume that you have prior programming experience with Python. We assume that you are comfortable in dealing with machine learning terms like supervised learning, regression, and classification. We don't assume that you have prior natural language processing or text mining experience. We have 3 goals in this course. We want to build actual solutions backed by machine learning and natural language processing models, instead of just talking about theory and mathematical symbols. We want to show you start to end, single-handedly how we can build 3 models, one for spam filtering, one for sentiment analysis, and finally one for text classification. We want to get you the right foundation to applied, actual natural language processing. We show you how to get open source data, wrangle the text into Python data structures, and predict different classes of natural language with Scikit-learn.